To use the CVS app, first thing you need to do is you need to go into the Google Play and App Store and actually get it. It doesn't cost any money. Once you've gotten the app, you can simply allow it to have your location. This will make it a lot easier to find the actual locations near you. But when you click on Let's Get Started, you simply want to enter in your mobile email or phone number to get started to create an account. Once you've created an account, from here, you'll be able to see your store locations just on this home screen like so. You can see exclusive deals, discounts, and redeem coupons like so. Or there's the pharmacy section where you can view your own pharmacy orders, place second orders, and so on from there. Or just view your health information if you had a blood draw or anything at a CVS like that. If we go to the shop option, this is where you can actually see all of our extra care savings just on the CVS app. And you can even clip coupons if you just click on the shop option right here and basically click on any of these exclusive deals that you may want to redeem. And when you click on them, you can click on the QR code, which is by the search bar in the top right hand corner. After you link your card, you can basically scan this at the store in the app using your code. The easiest way to access all these settings is by swiping to the left hand side just on the home screen. From here, you can view your pharmacy, membership options, shop, and health options just on this page like so. Or if you want to modify any of your information with your account, you can do so on this page as well at the very bottom of the screen. If you want to apply your coupon at checkout, what you want to do is you simply want to add your phone number or email that's associated with your CVS account that you've actually created on the app. In doing so, that will automatically apply any coupons or discounts that you may have clipped or saved just on this app like so. That's the easiest way by far, and drop a like and subscribe if you found this helpful.